I'm Dr. Shilpa Menon, obstetrician gynecologist from Vardhan Fertility. Today, I'm going to talk about an important yet neglected topic, which is hygiene and fertility. It is very important to maintain personal hygiene, and because many causes of infertility has been associated with infections. One of the most common hygiene-related factors is genital infections, especially in females. In women, proper hygiene is required to prevent vaginal infections. Vaginal infections can be in the form of fungal infections, that is most commonly called as yeast infections, and bacterial infections like chlamydia and gonorrhea. Persistence of such infections can cause ascending inflammation of the uterus, called as pelvic inflammatory disease, which can cause tubal blockages. The fallopian tube gets blocked, and this results in prevention of the sperm and egg from meeting, which is one of the most common causes of tubal factors of infertility. This can be prevented by women being a little more cautious about their hygiene and being watchful about the discharges. So whenever women experiences vaginal discharge, they should not neglect it. There is something called a physiological discharge. Physiological discharge is what we see 15 days after your cycle and also just before menses, onset of menses. In case you experience such kind of abnormal discharges, we request women to please visit your gynecologist and check for the same. When it comes to personal hygiene, women are often under the impression of using more vaginal douching substances, which are often harsh to the vagina. So we usually recommend women to normally use water to clean the vaginal area and not use any intimate washes which are available in the market, because this commonly erodes the good bacteria present in the vagina, which makes the vagina fall in prey for more infections. Excess usage of vaginal douches and chemical products can hamper the good bacteria of the vagina. Secondly, when it comes to men, it is important to maintain a hygiene around the penis, especially before sexual activity. Similarly, men should also be mindful about the genital hygiene. Common causes like balanitis can cause damage to the sperm growth, the sperm motility, as well as it can be a cause for abnormal forms of sperm. So it is often required for men to practice sexual hygiene. In case of any queries related to vaginal infections, please feel free to visit us or mention in the comments. We are happy to help.